In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display section right away. Now select Font available under Automatic Brightness and manage this slider under Font Size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!